All right, so let's take a look at this Ultra Air Blaster from the Rag company. We could use this for detailing your interior, your exterior, your vehicle, and other miscellaneous cleaning options that you could use this for. Definitely did a little bit of research, and this came up as a pretty nice tool. Been wanting to get one of these for quite some time. So let's see what comes in the box and test it out and see how it performs. You could always a little scan for how to. You can always check out their website and use for blowing out buffing pads, drying wet surfaces, blowing out interiors, nooks and crannies. And it comes with, I believe, 3 air fittings, the regular trumpet and the bristled trumpet. So, very simple, little foam here to hold it down. I wish it would be a little bit more detailed. So this is your bristled trumpet. It is threaded. It does come with 3 1/4-inch fittings. If I could open it, it'd be nice. You have different styles. You have your standard. You have your high flow. And I'm not really sure what this is. I've never seen this one. I actually use the Flexilla high flow for all my connectors. I believe this is the same one. Okay. And these do come with an O-ring, so you don't really have to put a Teflon tape on it. So all of them looks like they have the little O-ring at the end, and they seem to be a little shorter than the standard ones. So usually the other ones are a little bit longer. And it also comes with a little attention sticker. Proper air compressor maintenance. It's important. Always let out your air when you're done for minimum moisture. I'm going to show you what I did to my compressor if you want to upgrade and do something cool, kind of like a dry air system. All right, so this is your air gun. All right, it does have a screw right here, so just keep an eye on that. Make sure it's nice and tight. All right, it does have a little bit of a play on there. It feels very comfortable. Okay, simple. You have your little hook here for hanging it. Let's see. I'll be using the high flow. Very simple. I mean, if you want to put Teflon on it, go right ahead. And we'll tie it in just in a bit. This is your standard trumpet that you could remove. And by the way, the Rag company does have different models. You have the new Mini if you want to get that one. And I was looking at it. But, for me, I think that for my wrist, if I want to be doing something like this, it's a little bit more comfortable. If you have the Mini, it's kind of like the hose sticks up, and it's a little bit more uncomfortable, and I have, issues with my wrist. So I wanted something, that's easy for me to use. So this is like the new style with the bearings. The old style was, a little hose that will get loose, and sometimes it will crack, and it actually has less airflow. So these have a little bit bigger hole, so you have more airflow through this gun. Like I said, does a little bit of research, and this is kind of like the go-to gun. This is your setup with the bearings. Okay, you have 3 bearings in total, and you have a little O-ring right there. Okay, and you can see it's oiled. So if you're going to be using this on a daily basis, I would recommend taking it out, cleaning it, and making sure there's no moisture on it, putting a little bit of, maybe perhaps lithium grease or WD-40, something to maintain it. Obviously there's always a little complaint here and there that doesn't work. Make sure it's spinning freely, nice and soft. If it's not, then perhaps, one of the bearings went bad or seized up on you. And this is kind of like the reason why I wanted to get it. The one that has the bristles on it. And this is plastic. So that thread's kind of long. I don't think there's need for 1-inch thread. 1/2 inch or so should be enough. This is kind of like what I really wanted, so I could remove some of the stubborn dust in the nooks and crannies. Very nice. All right, so we'll go ahead and turn on the compressor, and I'll show you what I did to my compressor. And I'll tighten this just in a bit. You don't have to over tighten it since it's got an O-ring. And once you get to the end, you should be good. We'll test it out now. All right, so if you're going to be using one of the small little pancake compressors, they do recommend a compressor that has at least 4 CFMs at 90 psi. Something a little bit, medium size, but if you're going to be using it for detail, try to get the, the biggest one you possibly can. Because this one here, like I mentioned, with the bearings, does, use a little bit more air. You do have more airflow, but definitely it is a, high demand cleaning tool. So if you want to use it for, sometimes I use a tool, I want to clean them, little brush. So, that's perfect for. And there you go. Absolutely awesome. What I might do, I might put one of those little kind of universal joints down here that give you, I have one of the Flexilla ones, so it could, when you're angling it down, the hose, could angle left and right, or, up and down. So that's probably the only thing I'm going to be doing with it. All right, let's check the weight with the bristled nozzle. All right, looks like we have 13 ounces. 13 ounces. All right, so this is my compressor. This is a North Star 8-gallon compressor. And this is what I did to it. So I put a transmission cooler, okay, with a switch, a little power supply, and also did a little catcher here for the water. I have a full, video that I did online on this. I always leave my tank open so any moisture that drips comes out, and I always have this removed when I'm not using it. Sometimes I won't use it for weeks at a time. All new copper lines, a little bit thicker than the hose it came with. So, as the hot air comes out, this gets really, really hot, and this comes out really nice and room temperature. And then whatever moisture and water falls into here, and then it has to travel up into the tank. And never had an issue since then. No moisture in my hoses or my lights. So just a little tip. I also went with the Flexilla high flow connectors. This is to bypass the regulator, actually where you actually put the little air release to release the air. I took that out, put this, so there's no regulator here. So you get pretty much straightforward full power. And then I have a high flow and a standard one, just if I need to go somewhere or let somebody borrow. And that's pretty much it. So this thing is pretty amazing.